Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Bitcoin wallet address on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways how to do this, but the most common way to create a Bitcoin wallet address on your mobile device is by downloading an application called Binance. So what we need to do is open up Play our App Store and click onto search. And then from here, type in Binance. Here it is here, Binance. And then we want to go ahead and download and install. If you already got the application, go ahead and update if you haven't updated already, and then run. Okay, from here, we want to go ahead and open up the exchange. Then from there, you're going to be taken to a page to create an account or to log in. So just go through the process of creating an account or logging into your account. It's very straightforward. If you're not sure how to do it, just do a YouTube search how to create an account for Binance on mobile, and you just click on any of the top results. Then you might need to do a verify identity, which is a KYC, which is required if you're in America. Then after that, we can go ahead and access our Bitcoin deposit address. So from here, we want to go ahead and click onto assets and then click onto spot. Then from here, go ahead and click onto add funds and then on-chain deposit. And now search for Bitcoin. Here it is here, Bitcoin. Then we want to choose our network. So choose any one of these networks. I'm going to do a BNB Smart Chain. Then from here, this is going to be your Bitcoin address. So this is the address that we can save and share address and start receiving Bitcoin on your mobile device. Now, once you have Bitcoin, if we come back here, back to assets, you're going to see Bitcoin and how much Bitcoin you've got. So the more Bitcoin you get deposited in, the more it's going to accumulate inside of here.